Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to allow Messenger access to photos. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch or open your Messenger application. If you're using the iOS, then open the settings application of your iOS phone. Go to the settings app on your iOS device. Scroll down and find Messenger in the list of apps. Tap on Messenger to access its settings. Tap on Photos and select All Photos or Read and Write to allow Messenger full access to your photo library. On the Android, open the settings application of your Android phone. Tap on Apps or Applications. This may vary depending on your device. Scroll to the list of installed apps and select Messenger. Tap on Permissions or App Permissions. Then find Photos and Media or Storage and toggle the switch to allow Messenger access to your photos and media files. But from within the Messenger application, which is here, launch the Messenger app, which is the first thing that we'll do. Then tap on the profile picture in the top left corner of the settings menu. So these are the three dots, the three horizontal lines. Click on that and click on the settings, which we have here. Then over here, you're going to have to look for photos and media, which is under preferences. And once you click on that, it says save on capture. So you have to toggle on, ensure that the permissions are properly set if there are options related to photo access. So this is it. Save on capture, the save new photos that you take in the app to your gallery. So toggle that on, click on allow, then open links in external browser. You can click on allow if you want to do that. That way you get it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.